Hi, my name is Nina. I'm a certified personal trainer. So let's go ahead and cool down with some stretches. I'm going to stretch the quadriceps, which is the front of the leg. So balance. You can grab a chair if you want. And make sure that both knees are bent. The legs, the quads are in line with one another, and I'll show you from the side. The goal is and you want to keep the standing leg bent to protect your spine. So you want this heel into your butt, and then if you can, tilt, do a pelvic tilt, squeeze that butt. Again, don't let this come forward. Now you're getting even more of a stretch, and if you can grab with both arms, hands, pull the shoulders down, back and down, squeeze. Ooh, that's a lot of work. All right, let's do the same thing on the other leg. So we're going to get your balance, grab that foot, bring it together in line, heel to your buttocks. Okay, again, line. See if you can get a little straighter. Balance. Squeeze the butt, pelvic tilt, shoulder back. Can you grab with the other hand? A little taller, squeeze. Now you should really feel that quad getting tight. Doing a nice little stretch. Slowly let that down. Let's stretch out the hamstring. So flexed foot, hinge from the hips, flat back, don't round, that'll release the stretch. Flat back, and then you want to rotate your torso so that it is in line with that foot. And I try not to have people go like this because then they round and that doesn't do anything. So again, flex foot, flat back, and just reach with your chin to the middle of your toe. Can you flex a little more? And go a little bit outward toward your pinky toe to get your IT band. Center, tap down, roll up. Let's go ahead and stretch the other hamstring. And with a flexed foot, can you flex more, and then rotate that torso in line with that foot. Flat back, maybe, and pull that butt cheek up. Yeah, you really feel that hamstring when you do that. Nose in line with toes. Hinge from the hips, lean forward with your chin, not your arms. Shoulders back. Rotate externally toward the pinky toe slowly. Don't do too much. Center, tap, roll up. Let's do a nice little stretch, little back bend, hands behind the butt, shoulders back and down, squeeze the butt, look up, back bend, just a little bit, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Very nice. And then definitely let's go ahead and stretch out those glutes. Get down on your mat. This is my favorite glute stretch because it is extremely effective. So when you go down, let's use those abdominals. Let's use your entire body. Roll down with those abs. Slowly, carefully. Don't slam your body. All right. Knees bent, feet flat on the ground. Bring one leg over. Try to get this to 90 degrees if you can. If you're here, maybe push the leg a little further out, this leg further out. If you got pretty good hip flexibility, maybe you can bring it in this much. All right. Next thing you want to do, put your hands through that hole, grab onto your shin if you have pretty good flexibility. If not, hands behind the hamstring and then pull. So I have pretty good flexibility in my hips, so I'm going to grab my shin, chin up, look up, and feet are both slightly flexed. Look up and pull. Again, make sure this isn't this way, it's this way. I have a bee hovering above me. I'm checking it out and watching it right now. It's pretty. So I'm feeling this right here. If it's too much, you can just go in and out of the stretch. Let's go ahead and do the other side. Stretch out that other glute. Again, if you're here, you want it at 90, and if you can't get it at 90, push this leg back so that you're at 90. All right, so then hands to the hole, grab the hamstring or the shin, lean back, flex those feet gently, look up, chin up, make sure you're breathing, lower that breath, lower the heart rate. Can you pull in a little more? If it's too much, you could just swing in and out. All right, both feet down. And let's just windshield wiper those legs. I just love the way that feels. It's just like a nice stretch. All right. And then inner thigh stretch. Go ahead and get up. And for this stretch, I like to take my shoes off. So go ahead, if you have your shoes on, take them off. All right, put those feet together. So this is called a butterfly stretch. So I'm kind of moving my legs up and down as if they were my wings. And again, if you're way up here and your shoulders are up, you want the shoulders back and down, and then you want your feet down. So if you can't do this, just scoot a little further back or push the feet a little more forward. So as you do this more often, you will get more flexible. So you always want to do your stretches at the end of every workout. Never do it before, because even if I did this stretch at the beginning, there's no way I could get my legs this flat. There's just no way, because I would be too tight and I'd be more likely to pull something, and we don't want to harm ourselves. The whole point is to get healthier. All right, so let's see how close I can get. And then if I want a little bit more of a stretch, I'm going to take the palm of my hand, I'm going to put it right here above the knee, not on the knee. You never want to put pressure on the joints. I'm going to pull my shoulder back and down, and I can get it all the way to the ground. Now I actually do this stretch every single day at the end of my workouts. And I do at least a mini workout, leg workout, every single day. The crazy ones I do twice a week, but I do a mini leg one every day. I just love it. All right, sit up tall, cross your legs, and just do a little massage. So let me know if you like this workout by giving me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. And one thing to remember is just to make sure, maybe double check to make sure that bell is tapped. Otherwise, you won't get any notifications when I publish a video. And make sure to drink lots of water all day long. It's really important to hydrate, and when you hydrate, it will actually fill you up, and you might even eat less. So if your goal is weight loss, make sure to drink as much water as possible. Have a great day. Hope to see you soon.